Hello guys, so today I'm gonna troll the golden AR and see how pick and just this is basically the video. So if you're I guess you're gonna enjoy the video. So bye bye guys. Let's just get into the video. Anyways guys, we just queued into glitch to lobby. It's gonna glitch very soon, I think. I don't know. I just hit the GY. It's all better for you. Okay, I gotta go big arena since it's the best. Yes, 2-0. Well, that boring. It's shooting range. Oh, that's the worst map to use AR on. As you can see, I got the golden AR. I just didn't record the video just because it was spoiled. So I recorded the video, but it was just spoiled, so I didn't want to publish it. How about? Oh dang it! Come on, let's go. Assets and then feed. Oh man, I'm supposed to be getting my diamond chicken. I'm not gonna get diamond anytime soon. I guess the first weapon that I'm gonna get diamond on is the sniper. Cause I'm actually closer to the sniper to get diamond on the sniper than the AR. I'm actually 3,000. I actually have 3,000. How did he get somebody? For what rap is he grinding? Like, yo, I need to go. I'm gonna need to go check, bro. Okay. Now he's just grinding for the glass wrap. I see. How much? Someone's got the diamond sniper and the Kyrie charm. Yo, this guy really met some pro players. What are you doing? Oh, dang it! I didn't get the assist. Oh, come on, let's go! At least get the assist! Get the assist at least! Let's go! Yes! 2 ults, 2 kills, 2 kills. Let's go! 3 kills, baby. Oh my goodness, I only got 1 assist. Are you mad? Are you actually mad? Okay. No! Someone's got the golden sniper like me. Somebody's got that. You got the golden sniper. I see. Oh, I guess that's just a flex. Oh my! He got headshot beamed. No, that is crazy. Let's go, baby. Okay. Guys, are we gonna get this? Are we? He's got the Kyrie charm, self-flexing on everybody. And he's got the diamond sniper. Is this tanker? Like what? Like what? Bro, I feel like this is tanker. I think like this is tanker. I feel like it's tanker. By the way, the keeper skin is my dream, bro. I would cry for it. I would die for it. Whoa, that was dark. You don't mean I'll say that. Let me know, please. Please, let's go. Got EGG. Egg, yeah. Because he looks like an egg. I get it. Oh my, I got sniped. I'm sorry guys, I'm supposed to be using AR in this video, but I just got a pro the sniper. And the insta headshot already. Oh dang it, if it was a headshot, man, I'd flip it. No! If it was a headshot, somebody dropped that, totally. Oh. But somebody's gonna clip that shot. Oh. By the way guys, do you like my gold drop on my sniper? I grinded really much for it. And to be honest, damage reps are better. Damage reps, to get the damage reps are easier. Why you just, oh no. Oh no, let me just switch to the AR so I don't spoil the video. And I have gold on it, so it should be pretty easy. Let's go. My favorite wrap on it is the white wrap because it makes me have better visibility and I can just see people better with the white wrap. It's basically like glass, kind of. No, the glass is more transparent, but you get what I'm saying. I like the white wrap. I killed him for an overall. What is happening? Syncloxy, yo! Please, please get him, boy! Yo, let's go! Oh, come on. Yep. I gotta use my handgun, let's go. By the way, guys, do you like my skin that I got from the skin case too? I did not buy in the daily shop or whatever. To be honest, this skin is not that bad. Oh. GOLDEN Rivals. He is the yacht, I guess. Wait, let me use the sniper real quick. To counter the best rifle. And why is just Cool Cat is just, oh! I got up to 11 balls. This is just too annoying. Cool Cat, no! I got sniped. Oh my gosh! Somebody clip that! Somebody clip that! Oh my god! Somebody clip that, bros. Yo, that's jokes. Somebody clip that, please. Somebody clip that. Somebody clip that. Somebody clip that. Somebody clip that. Somebody clip this shots, baby. Well, never mind. Don't clip that. Don't clip that. That was horrible. Oh! But you gotta clip that shot. No, come on. That was a crazy headshot. Oh! I just aimed at his head and got him somehow. Let's go. Got him. 70. 150. Oh, dang it. Dang it, man. I wish it was a headshot. Oh my god. This is just too good, man. AGG. Oh wait, I'm supposed to be using the diamond orb. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? The next video that I'm going to do is a little sneak peek. So I'm basically going to use the full diamond. I'm basically going to use the gold loadout. I can only use the weapon that I have gold on. And the weapon that I have gold on is not that much weapons. Only AUG, sniper, knife, and smoke grenade. I got no gold on no secondary, so I'm not going to be allowed to use the secondary in that game. But I am going to use the sniper if it's shooting range, because I'm allowed to. I have gold on the sniper. And also knife. Knife is scary, kind of, for other people. Yes, I got him. How am I in second place? How am I in second place? Like Jalen. Like, look guys, if you didn't see my I got the golden knife video, it was absolutely insane and I actually got the golden knife, see? If you think I'm lying, I'm not lying. Wait, I want to see the gold. Wait a minute. I just want to go to my career, collection, wraps, gold. I want to see. I got it's on the assault rifle. Yep, the sniper that was if you pause the video. Anyway, why the big crossroads? Nah, but I gotta use the assault rifle. I gotta. Sadly, I still don't have gold on the revolver, and I did not finish my daily tasks. And I also like the sheriff's thing, so I'm just gonna tap him in the head. I mean, I cheated a little bit, and oh, dang it. Hey, cat, cool cat. You're gonna make my grind faster to get the golden assault, to get the diamond assault rifle. But bro, I want the diamond keeper so bad. It just one-taps anybody, man. I want it so bad, man. I could die for it. I could cry for it. I could jump out of the window for it. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. That was very dark. My bad. But the keeper costs an arm and a leg, to be honest. Oh, I just got sniped. Yo, let me just use the revolver. Maybe I might do a video again, the gold revolver, who knows? There's no way. Yo, I just got Troy. Who are you trying to, bro? Sick Foxy's just targeting. What am I supposed to do against that? Like bro. Hey. Oh no. To be honest, Tinker is as good as a hacker, bro. Only got 1 assist, and that's like 1 second ago. So now we can just. I'm gonna end the video at 4 minutes. You're not mad kidding. Who do you think you is, bro? Look at him. I'm in the air. He can't see me, and I'm down. We one tap him in the head with a revolver. Oh, well, that was close. Pay to win. You can't pay to win. By getting all those skins, bro. Maybe I might do a skins only video. Who knows? Let's go. Sorry guys, I just want to make my grind to the golden revolver, baby. Cause I'm getting closer to it. I'm getting closer. And I'm also aim training. Basically. Okay, 50 more seconds until the video ends. Okay then. Do you know cows or something? By the way guys, on the next April Fool's I'm gonna do like just a 5. Actually, I'm not gonna spoil it. Oh, why, bro? By the way, guys, do you like GTG08? By the way, W Jeremy the Gamer for getting Golden Assult Rifle. WW. Yo, let's go. I got frog stuff. And I swear, bro, Sick Lucky's always just targeting. No. Please! Yes, I got him. At least bro, I swear. Can he just stop targeting for one? No! Okay. I'm just gonna try a headshot here, yep, and I did. Yes, again, yes! I got Sync Lucky. Let's go. Hey, cat. Thank you for the free kill. But I'm gonna get diamond on the sniper first. So I need to get grinded lately. Oh, well, we're past way the time. So bye-bye, guys.